Some Maybelline grease battered up Toyota Corolla rolled into a ditch, don't you know? She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, got no horse to ride. She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, she got no horse to ride. Slushy lipped red took me to a bed and said, remember the man, commenced to live in it like a sugar cane. She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, she's got no horse to ride. She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, she's got no horse to ride. And chicken sharks with their blurry talk, worrying bones, everybody's known. A kind-hearted woman took me to her bosom and said, hang them damn biscuit thieves. Gnawed on me like a wheel of hippie cheese. She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, she's got no horse to ride. She's raining, she's pouring, creek is getting muddy, she's got no face to hide. It's calculated waiting, you know she's gonna get it, gonna make her beg and moan, calls you from her sensible bedside phone. Maybelline grease battered up Toyota Corolla rolled into a ditch, don't you know?
I got back into the car and started to drive again, and there was, and driving by Mount Shasta, and there was snow blowing off of the mountain, and I was kind of hypnotized by this, whatever the scene out there, and there was a rainbow that formed over the street, over the highway, and in actuality it was a snowboat. And I thought to myself, I wonder what is at the other end of a snowboat.
I'm alone, all alone in this world. All alone in this world. I'm alone, all alone in this world. Take me home, dear Savior, take me home. I have no father in this world. I have no father in this world. I have no father in this world. Take me home, dear Savior, take me home. I have no mother in this world. I have no mother in this world. I have no Savior, take me home. I have no sweetheart in this world. I have no sweetheart in this world. I have no sweetheart in this world. Take me home, dear Savior, take me home. I'm alone, all alone in this world. I'm alone, all alone in this world. I'm alone, all alone in this world. Take me home, dear Savior, take me home.
And I followed it back, and it was kind of led back to that gas station. So if you ever wonder what is on the other end of a snowbow, it's a LeBaron filled with speed freaks making bologna sandwiches.